When you start out in REACHUM, you come to the dashboard, and it looks like this, nothing. But you will find that very quickly you develop a lot of content. Remember that whenever you see the info button, you can hover to get helpful hints. You can change the order of rooms by clicking one or more move buttons and dragging to the new location. Now you can organize that content by folder and subfolder. So I'm going to just say new folder here. Within that folder, I can add a subfolder. Any of this content can be dragged into that subfolder or directly into the folder. REACHUM is all about making lesson prep faster and easier for teachers.